Are you dreaming of studying in Germany without spending thousands of dollars on tuition? Good news, it's completely possible. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can study in Germany for free in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a tuition-free program. Germany is home to some of the best public universities in the world, and most of them offer tuition-free education, even for international students. You'll still pay a small semester fee, usually between 250 and 350 euros, but that often includes public transport and student discounts. To begin, go to dad.de or uni-assist.de. These platforms allow you to search for programs by subject, language, and degree level. Many master's programs, and some bachelors, are offered completely in English. Whether you're into engineering, business, social sciences, or design, Germany has something for you. Step 2. Understand the admission requirements. Once you've chosen a program, check the admission criteria. Most universities will ask for your high school diploma or bachelor's degree, a motivation letter, your CV or resume proof of language proficiency, either English or German, and sometimes letters of recommendation. For English-taught programs, universities typically accept IELTS or TOEFL scores. For German-taught programs, you'll need to pass tests like TestAF or DSH. It's important to read the exact requirements on each university's website, because they may vary slightly. Step 3. Submit your application. Now it's time to apply. Some universities handle applications directly through their own portal, while others use uni-assist, a centralized platform that helps international students apply to multiple schools. Here's a tip: apply to at least 3 to 5 universities to increase your chances. Start the process early, especially for the winter semester, which usually begins in October. Application deadlines are often between May and July, depending on the university. Be sure to prepare scanned and translated copies of all your documents and double-check that they meet the formatting guidelines. Step 4. Apply for a German student visa. Once you receive your admission letter, it's time to apply for a student visa. You'll need the following: your admission letter proof of a blocked account showing around 11,208 euros. This proves you can support yourself. Valid health insurance, your passport photos, and a visa application form. Book your visa appointment with the nearest German embassy or consulate in your country. Visa processing can take several weeks, so don't wait until the last minute. Once your visa is approved, you're ready to go. Step 5. Arrive in Germany and enroll. After landing in Germany, you'll need to enroll at your university. This usually means visiting the international office, submitting final documents, and receiving your student ID card. You should also register your address with the local authorities and open a German bank account if you haven't already. As a student in Germany, you can work up to 20 hours per week during the semester and full-time during vacations. After graduation, you'll receive a post-study work visa that allows you to stay in Germany for up to 18 months to find a job related to your field. So there you have it, your complete guide to studying in Germany for free in 2025. From finding a program to applying, getting your visa, and settling in, this is your roadmap. Germany offers world-class education, rich culture, and affordable student living. If you're serious about studying abroad, it's one of the best choices out there. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Tick That Trip, where I bring you student-friendly travel and study abroad tips every week. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your journey to Germany.